Okay, I'm live. Hi, dear friends. This is Wasima Isra. I hope you are doing great. I'm making this video just to talk about these aspects of personalities that you should absolutely avoid or reconciliate with. And these people, they have characteristics that make you feel not valued, not appreciated. Maybe they can even destroy you, destroy your dreams, what you came to realize, what you came to do. And the idea is to identify them not only as people, as persons, but also as logics, as institutions that exist around us, whether that can be a newspaper, TV, a movie, whatever. So one of the people that you might meet on your way are those who criticize everything. They find always something negative to say about anyone, about life, about politics. And these people, the idea is that they have an ideal idea about how things can be and should be, but they have lost faith in the possibility that things can get better. These people also can be nostalgic. They are stuck in the past and can't really see the future, or they can't even be in the present moment. And being with them will bring you down energetically and will make you see anything negative very easily. It's like they will rewire your brain to see the negativity right away. It becomes a habit. Sometimes that's good. It makes you vigilant and cautious about life and what can happen. But at the same time, this can lead you to be stuck on the polarity, negative polarity, seeing just the negative thing. So you have to rebalance in a way, refine the positive aspect in life. I would also suggest you don't try to convince these people to see the positive aspect, because this will make you angry. I really believe that all what we have to do is just talk about what is important for us, but at the same time show the others that this thing exists, but they make the decision. We don't make the decisions for them, and that's something that we have to respect. Another type of people is the people who the personality who speaks about you behind your back. So there are these people who will take your secrets, share with you in an honest way, or feeling like honest way, but then they will speak behind your back to other people and will reveal all what you have said, and sometimes they change it for the circumstance. So these type of people, what is probably more important for them is not this holding the space for you and your confidence in them, but it's more communicating. For them, communicating is really important. And also something I must say is that these people, or these personalities, they don't have negative intentions. All they do is probably they think it's for the right thing. So the idea is not to judge them. Judging, this is another aspect, but it's more to being cautious of who they are in our lives and what is their impact on us, and how we can recognize these aspects within ourselves too. All right, next aspect is those who have only a single vision of reality, how things should be, how they must happen, what you should do. They think they have that reality and no other reality exists in the world. And the thing is that this makes things really close, because you cannot really discuss with them. There is no opening to exchange information or exchange realities, because if it is done in so harsh way. It's done in so closed manner that it doesn't give you the desire to learn about these things. So the single vision, or the one vision for all, is something I'm seeing a lot even in our community. And I feel it's something that we have to be wary of, because what brought us here is the multiplicity, of reality. We talk even about multiple timelines. So what about multiple ways of living, multiple ways of eating? I was talking with one of my clients. I was telling him, there is not only one way to detoxify your body. There are so many. Diets possible. So here they are. Which one your body is telling you to follow? It's not for me to decide. There's so many things. What is where is your heart going? Where is your body going? Where is your soul going? And it's not for me to decide for my clients. I show them the best diets, the best supplements, the best tinctures, plants to take. But it's not for me to do. And that's something I really value in my practice, because I put the other at the same position as me and not superior or inferior. He knows better than me. I mean, from soul perspective. Of course, I can suggest advice. But when I used to learn, whether in herbology or naturopathy or other practices, there are some teachers and who have the single vision, but there are others who are so much open that I was feeling lost. So being open sometimes make you feel lost, but at the same time, it offers you the possibility to discover many ways of doing. You discover by yourself, and that's the best. I really feel it's the best way. Anyway, let's go back. Another personality are those who wants just to take and not give. That reminds me of some institutions in our economy. It's a logic, and behind it there is something about the missing. We are lacking something behind. There's the feeling of emptiness, and that you can never fill. I mean, that if you come across some people like this, you will always give. But at the same time, you will feel empty, because nothing will nourish them forever. And when you become an empty cup, they pass on to another filled cup to empty it. In relationships, that exists a lot, I can tell you. Seeing them around in my practice, and this happens a lot with people who are therapists, which is really interesting. And it happens also with women. I saw many women, but I saw few men also like this. With women who are in the giving, they have this motherhood type of personality, and also some who are in the naivety also, which is beautiful to see, but at the same time, not everyone will take care of that. So it's also something that became a logic in our society, and I really feel that we have all that part. We love to take and not give. But what type of emptiness are we feeling, and why are we in the taking? Why are we so insecure about the future in order to just take? And I'm just passing through a road of ants, and when I see them, they are collaborating in the taking, very organized. But nature doesn't. I really believe that nature does not take by nature. Nature is giving by nature. Even ants, not taking more than, because they can't take more than. They are programmed in a way. So what is our programmation as a conscious being that forgot that? I really believe ants are more conscious. But as a conscious being, what are we programming ourselves to? All right, next. People who doubt about everything, doubting about you, life, doubting about food, anything. And it's good to doubt about things. It makes you question things, but at the same time, um, being in a personal contact with people like this who will doubt about you and your good intentions will make you tired, because you will want to prove something. You will want to prove that, oh no, you can trust me. I'm good. I'm a good person. You can trust me. I'm offering something really good. But we don't have to do that. It's their problem. It's their issue to take care of. It's not ours. You cannot prove anything to anyone. You can just share. We really forgot this logic of sharing instead of convincing and proving. And when we are in that, we're in that logic of dictatorship. While sharing, nature is about sharing. We learn, oh my God, look at this, so beautiful. Look at this. Wow, it's beautiful. And yeah, sharing instead of convincing. At the same time, when we have to check also if we are doubting, we find that yes, I doubt my capacities, I doubt about the future, I doubt about beings that are surround us, about spirits that are with us. Are they really with us? We doubt all the time. And that doubt is a separation, creates a separation. I don't say don't doubt. I say just, are you doubting something within you? And where does that come? Is it coming from an intuition kind of, or is it coming from a wound? A wound that is not yet healed. So summarizing all these type of personalities that you should avoid, but should you really avoid them? Because if they come back to your life, it's because you have to learn a lesson that maybe you didn't. Is that you need to have a mirror so that you can learn it and heal the separation. So yeah, that's all what I wanted to share, and we will end with this beautiful tree. Oops. So wishing you a very nice day, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.